Hello, friends. In this video, you will learn English phrasal verbs. Let's get started.
Hello. Hello is commonly used as a greeting in English. Goodbye. We say goodbye when we are parting or ending a conversation or interaction. Please. We say please when we want to make a request or ask for something politely. Thank you. We say thank you to express gratitude or appreciation for something that someone has done for us or given to us. Sorry. We say sorry when we want to apologize for something we have done that has caused inconvenience, hurt, or offense to someone else. Excuse me. We say excuse me in various situations to get someone's attention, to apologize, or to politely ask for permission. I love you. We say I love you to express deep affection, care, and attachment to someone special in our lives. I'm hungry. We say I'm hungry when we want to express that we need or want to eat because we are feeling hungry. I'm thirsty. We say I'm thirsty when we want to express that we need or want to drink because we are feeling thirsty. I'm tired. We say I'm tired when we want to express that we are feeling physically or mentally exhausted and in need of rest. I'm cold. We say I am cold when we want to express that we are feeling chilly or uncomfortable due to low temperatures. I'm hot. We say I'm hot when we want to express that we are feeling warm or overheated due to high temperatures. I'm happy. We say I'm happy when we want to express that we are feeling joyful, content, or pleased. I'm sad. We say I'm sad when we want to express that we are feeling unhappy, sorrowful, or upset. I'm scared. We say I'm scared when we want to express that we are feeling afraid, frightened, or anxious. I am sleepy. We say I am sleepy when we want to express that we are feeling tired and ready to go to sleep. I am brave. We say I am brave to express courage or confidence in facing challenges or fears. I am excited. We say I am excited when we feel happy and eager about something that's going to happen soon. Look at this. We say look at this when we use to invite someone to see or notice something specific. I did it! We say I did it when we want to express achievement after completing a task or overcoming a challenge. It's my turn. We say it's my turn when we want to say that now it's our chance to do something. I want to play. We say I want to play when we feel like having fun and doing something enjoyable. Let's go outside. We say let's go outside when we want to go outdoors for fun or fresh air. It's time for bed. We say it's time for bed when we want to tell someone it's time to sleep. What's your name? We ask what's your name when we want to know someone's name. How old are you? We say how old are you when we want to know someone's age. Can you help me? We ask can you help me when we need someone to assist us. Where's mommy? We say where is mommy when we want to know the location of our mother. Where's my toy? We say where is my toy when we want to know the location of our toy. I want to cuddle. We say I want to cuddle when we want to express the desire to snuggle or embrace affectionately with someone. Can we read a book? We say can we read a book when we want to ask if it's possible to read a book together. Can we sing a song? We ask can we sing a song when we want to know if it's okay to sing a song together. Can we play a game? We ask can we play a game when we want to know if it's okay to play a game together. Can I have a snack? We ask can I have a snack when we want to know if it's okay to have something to eat. Can I have a drink? We say can I have a drink when we want to ask if it's possible for us to have something to drink such as water, juice or soda. I need to use the potty. We say I need to use the potty when we want to express that we need to go to the toilet. What's that? We say what's that when we want to ask about something we see or hear and don't know what it is. What's for dinner? We say what's for dinner when we want to ask about the meal that will be served for the evening meal. Can I help you cook? We say can I help you cook when we want to offer our assistance in preparing a meal. Can I help you clean? We say can I help you clean when we want to offer our assistance in tidying up or performing household chores. Can I have a hug? We ask can I have a hug when we want to know if it's okay to give someone a hug. Can I have a kiss? We say can I have a kiss when we want to ask for permission to give someone a kiss, usually as a sign of affection or love. Can I have a bath? We ask can I have a bath when we want to know if it's okay to take a bath. Can I have a bedtime story? We say can I have a bedtime story when we want to ask if it's possible to hear a story before going to bed. Can I have a good night kiss? We say can I have a good night kiss when we want to ask if it's okay to receive a kiss before going to sleep, usually as a gesture of affection or love. I'm so proud of you. We say I'm so proud of you when we want to express our admiration and happiness for someone's achievements. Be careful. We say be careful when we want to tell someone to watch out for possible dangers. Share with your friend. We say share with your friends when we want to tell someone to give something they have to their friends. Brush your teeth. We say brush your teeth when we want to remind someone to clean their teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste. Say please and thank you. We say please and thank you when we want to remind someone to use polite words like please when asking for something and thank you when showing appreciation. Have fun. We say have fun when we want someone to enjoy themselves. Wake up, meaning to stop sleeping and open your eyes. We say wake up when we want someone to stop sleeping and open their eyes in the morning. Get up, meaning to leave your bed or chair. We say get up when we want someone to leave their bed or chair and start their day. Eat breakfast, meaning to consume food in the morning. We say eat breakfast when it's time to have the first meal of the day in the morning. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth, meaning to clean teeth using a toothbrush. We say brush your teeth when it's time to clean our teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. Get dressed. Get dressed, meaning to put on clothes. We say get dressed when it's time to put on clothes and prepare to go out or start the day. Comb hair. Comb hair, meaning to use a comb to tidy hair. We say comb hair when it's time to tidy your hair using a comb to make it neat and orderly. Put on shoes. Put on shoes, meaning to wear footwear. We say put on shoes when it's time to wear our shoes before going outside or doing something active. Pack lunch. Pack lunch, meaning to prepare food for later consumption. We say pack lunch when we're getting food ready to take with us to eat later, like at school or work. Wave hello. Wave hello, meaning to greet by moving the hand back and forth. We say wave hello when we greet someone by moving our hand back and forth in the air to say hello. Sit down. Sit down, meaning to lower oneself onto a chair or the ground. We say sit down when we want someone to sit on a chair or the ground. Stand up. Stand up, meaning to rise to a standing position. We say stand up when we want someone to get up from sitting or lying down and be on their feet.
Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.